Wishing you happy Independence Day. 28th Independence Day commemoration is on the way. Resilience for higher progress.
We and the ERi-TV crew are here at the Haranat Avenue, capturing the festive mood dominating the downtown of Asmara, the beautiful modern city of Africa. And we will be walking around asking different kind of people, both locals and tourists who are gathered here to rejoice in the commemoration of the 28th Independence Day anniversary. And I, Dilit Sahaye.
And I, Lydia Tasfai, will be presenting them.
Okay, my name is Roberto. I come from the United States.
Mr. Roberto, how did you find Eritrea? What was the picture you had before?
It's beautiful, very beautiful. I love the people, I love the food, and I think it's a great country. It's going to have a lot of potential.
How about the festive mood of the 28th Independence Day?
It's beautiful. I never saw anything like it anywhere. All the lights and everything, and the people are happy, dancing on the street. Is beautiful. Very nice.
Did it compromise the picture you had before?
No, not really. I always expected something nice for here because I was born here. So I know the culture and I know the people, and it's beautiful.
So how are you enjoying the merriment of the Independence Day?
It's unbelievable emotion. It's for us an unbelievable emotion. We have seen the parade and we met a lot of people. We have seen our projects everywhere in the dental clinics. They are celebrating this Independence Day. And I would like to repeat, we feel very appreciated to be here.
Okay, so what's your favorite part of this celebration? What is your what do you like the most?
No, Haranat Avenue, the traditional music, a lot of nice and open people, and especially we are looking forward to participate tomorrow in the ceremony in the Olympic Stadium.
Okay. So how does it feel to be part of this historic day?
No, I feel like a little brother, yeah, because our group is coming very often. We come here every day. To work in different dental clinics, so I feel very, very connected with this country.
And we are inside the crowd, and we will be interviewing some of our locals. So first, you'll introduce me to yourself.
My name is Usra Mingstab, and I live in Eritrea.
So how is the festive season? How are you enjoying it?
Well, it's really good. I'm enjoying myself with my friends, and we're seeing the artists and stuff. They're so good. Yeah.
Okay. So, which one of these activities being conducting is your favorite part?
Well, I didn't see all of it, but mostly the Tigrinya performance is really good, and the Japanese and stuff. But I didn't see most of it, so I can't tell you which one it is. So, yeah.
So regarding this Independence Day, what greetings would you like to send to the Eritrean people?
Well, I want to tell all Eritrean people that this is going so well. Hope them the best for the future, and I want to congratulate all of them. And I wish they have the best. Yeah.
Okay, so you'll introduce us yourself and where you from.
Okay. Hi, my name is Nathaniel Hadego, and I'm from Toronto.
So, Nathaniel, how is the festive season going on? Is it your first time in Eritrea?
This is actually my second time in Eritrea, and right now it's I'm enjoying the festive season. It's really beautiful. I'm enjoying it a lot.
Okay, so what is your favorite part of this celebration? Have you been watching all the activities being conducted lately?
I've been coming into the streets, and I've been watching the ceremonies and stuff that's been happening. And my favorite part right now is the live concerts, the live music that's happening, watching and dancing and having some ice cream with family. Okay.
At the end, would you like to convey some message of greetings to the Eritrean people regarding the 28th Independence Day anniversary?
Well, I would like to say happy Independence to every Eritrean out there for the 28th Independence, and I'd like to say hi to my friends and family back in Toronto.
Sir, your name and the country you came from?
Hi, my name is Daniel and I come from the UK.
How's the festive mood? How did you find the Independence Day festivity?
I found the festival to be fun, energetic. Yeah, it's a bit of a surprise. So many people out here.
Did you expect the same thing?
No, I didn't have no expectations when I first came. You know, I just came out here for the Independence Day and yeah, no, I love the energy out here.
How about, is it the first time you're celebrating here?
Yeah, it is the first time coming for the Independence Day.
Does it look the same which you celebrated in England?
No, we have it's a lot different in England. It's just, I mean, the vibe is good in England as well. You know, we have a lot of people come out to the hall and stuff, so it's pretty good out there. But here, it's just the whole street is full with everyone.
How did you see the peace and the prosperity going on? The development in Eritrea?
I mean, there's a lot of progress. I see a lot of people out here. There's a lot of forward-thinking people. The young people, the energy with them is high. I see a prosperous future.
Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
Okay, happy Independence Day. Peace.
Can you introduce us yourself?
Okay, my name is Hani Watswamkel. I'm from Asmara, Eritrea.
Okay, so how is the festive season going on? How are you enjoying the 28th Independence Day anniversary?
There's a good feeling to it.
Have you been watching the activities that were being conducted by different artists from outside?
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite part?
I like the Japanese more. Yeah.
So, what about are you enjoying the concerts, the live concerts?
Yeah.
So what kind of message would you like to convey to the Eritrean people regarding the Independence Day anniversary?
Okay, I hope there's more things like this can come in the future. Yeah. Even I hope the peace with Ethiopia, it brings us new opportunities to build our country.
So can you introduce us yourself? And where are you from?
My name is Cuffly Tesfai. I came from America, California.
Okay. So how is the festive season? How are you enjoying the 28th Independence Day anniversary?
The festival is beautiful. Hizbi Kulu Tabu Allah. The people are beautiful here. I love it.
Okay. So which part is your favorite part?
The people that are dancing is my favorite part. Happy Independence 28th Day to all the Eritrean people. Let's go Eritrea.
Your name and the country you come from?
My name is Faven. I'm from the U.S.
Faven, how did you find the festivity mood? How's Eritrea?
It's really cool. This is my first time being here for Ba'an Natanat. It's just beautiful seeing all of these people here with their families. There's running into so many friends. It kind of feels like I'm back at home right now. And like it reminds me of our own Independence Day celebrations in Minnesota, where you just recognize faces and it just feels like community.
How about, is it the first time you're celebrating Independence Day here?
Yeah, I usually come later in the summer, and I've been here all year, so it's really beautiful to like have been here when there's not as many people, and then now see it like so live. Yeah.
Can you talk about the developments you have seen or the progress you have seen through that?
Well, I've never been here for Independence Day, but just within this week, I've just seen more and more people come out, and people getting more excited and more community oriented. This morning we went to our administration's like local party, and so just seeing how they organize that and then like seeing people like come out as a city is really beautiful.
So can you guys introduce us yourself and where are you from?
I'm from Japan, Tokyo, Japan. My name is Ryosuke, Heaven's keyboardist.
Hi, my name is Maki from Japan, and we come to Heaven's groups. I'm a singer.
Also, I'm Heaven's. My name is Lu. Japan, Tokyo.
So, how is the festive season? How are you guys enjoying it?
Yes, I spent a very great time.
Yeah, it was great time. Every generation celebrate is really great, I think.
Eritrean person is very kind for us, so I'm so exciting. Thank you.
We're really happy to have you. So, would you like to have greetings to the Eritrean people regarding the 28th Independence Day anniversary?
So happy anniversary for Independence Day. So we will happy to come to here, Eritrea. So we will hope to come back in the future.
So congratulations, Independence Day. So all generation congratulations is really great, I think. Yeah.
Congratulations on the Independence Day. I hope more peaceful and
we really hope we see you guys again. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
First, your name and the country you came from.
Yeah, so my name's Fiona and I'm from London, UK.
Okay. Hey Fiona, how did you find the vibe of the National Independence Day?
It's been beautiful. I mean, to come here and celebrate with your own people, to celebrate such a significant part of history is just amazing. So I've tried to learn the history, but to see it now is beautiful. So I'm really happy.
Is it the first time you're here for the Independence Day?
Yes, yeah. So I made sure I deferred my university year just to be here this year. So I had to, it was on my bucket list and now I've made it. So
was it worth it?
100%. I'm so happy, really happy. Yeah.
What's your plans?
So I'm going to be here for 4 months to be able to work and just try and volunteer to give back and learn about more of my language, learn everyone in terms of the country, people, and that's why I'm here.
So far, what have you learned about the people of Eritrea?
Well, I already know that we're very kind people, very warm-hearted people, so that wasn't new to me. But I only arrived this morning, so it's very new to me, yeah. But I came in August. It's just been a beautiful vibe, yeah.
Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you.
So can you introduce us to yourself and where are you from?
My name is Pierre. I come from Canada. And yeah, I've been traveling throughout Africa for the last few months.
So how is the festive season going on? What's your favorite part? What are you enjoying the most about the 28th Independence Day anniversary?
The parade yesterday was really nice. I could see everyone was getting involved in the parade. It was really nice seeing all these people, all the cars and everything, and everyone is so welcoming, so happy to be here. It's been a great time for the whole time we've been in Eritrea. I wish for the Eritrean people to be happy, independent and free, and to find whatever they are looking for the rest of their life, of course.
Sir, your name and the country you came from.
My name is Michael Novak. I'm from USA, America.
How's the vibe? How did you find the Independence Day celebration?
Very good. I enjoy it. There's lots and lots of people out. Just more people than I expected ever to be out. Yeah.
What impression did you have before about Eritrea?
Wow. I did not know a lot, but I've researched it. I learned. We went to the National Museum yesterday, and I learned a lot about the history and the culture, the people. So before, I didn't know much. Yeah, I came here to learn.
So can you introduce us to yourself and where are you from?
Yeah, my name is Knut and I'm from Norway.
So are you enjoying this festive season, the 28th Day Independence Day anniversary?
Yeah, I had a great time so far. We haven't been there for very long, but we spent a few days looking around the capital, and later we will go down to the coast, etc. But I had a really good time, and it's exciting to see how much people are out in the streets, even this late at the night.
Okay, so which part of the activity is your favorite so far?
It's kind of hard to say. For me, it's just nice that when I get to a new country like Eritrea to actually meet people and talk to them and like see where they're living. And yeah, I had a great time so far.
Great. So would you like to convey a message of congratulations to the Eritrean people regarding the 28th Independence Day anniversary?
Yeah, I would say thank you very much for receiving us so well, and I wish you a really nice celebration of your Independence Day.
Our dear viewers, as you can see, the crowd is still going on. Families are out with their kids, having a good time, enjoying their moment, and they're expressing themselves by dancing and singing inside the crowd. And in about few minutes, the fireworks is gonna crack, and with excitement, the people are waiting for it. So we will be capturing the fireworks as well. Stay with us. Dilet Zahaye, Resilience for Higher Progress from Harnett Avenue.
Well, dear viewers, you have seen the crowd, still celebration is going on, and still the festivity mood is going on, and the vibe is still good. But this is for us today. Thanks for watching.